What is up, guys? Back with another video. It's been quite a while since the last time I've uploaded a video, but I have absolutely something quite interesting for you today. This is an app called Showbox Lite. It allows you to watch TV shows through your tablet, through your phone for free. It's actually more simplified than what it used to be. This app, I'm right now downloading it, so we're going to go ahead and talk over how exactly I'm going to show you it. So what I'm going to use is called BlueStacks. I never actually fully used this to its full potential, but this has been in complete development for a very long time, so hopefully it works out well. So what we're going to do is we're going to install Showbox Lite. What makes this different of why you're not going to be using the regular Showbox version is because it's filled with bloatware, ads, and it uses torrents that keeps the app running. This service does not use torrents. It's actually a lot safer for you to be using this, and it overall just runs faster. You would like it. You would love this app very much, so we're going to go ahead and load up Showbox. So as you can see, it's loading. Okay. Now, it gives you a complete news, it shows you trailers, obviously, and then if we go over to here, we can see movies. And if we click on any movie, any one of these movies, it will play it in HD. It's actually really nice to have something like this. Not only that, if you go to TV shows, it also has several different of your favorite TV shows like Naruto Shippuden, Family Guy, The Flash, Rick and Morty, SpongeBob, like DC Legends if you're into that, Arrow, Shameless, which I know Shameless has been getting quite popular. But it's an app worth checking out. If you want to download it, go in the description bar. You can freely download this. There is no ads or anything on this app or in this version of the app. And the link is their official website, and it was provided by Rise D Pies of Reddit for making a ad-free version of Showbox. I don't know how long this app will last, but if it's gonna last forever, then I would definitely go ahead and check it out because it is well worth the the time to spend on checking this out. So anyways, guys, hit the like and subscribe button. If you want more videos like this, hit a like. And if you want more piracy type of stuff, like getting free stuff, then just say in the comments of what is something you want to get for free that is in the form of an app or something like that, and maybe I can do some research and find out. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and see you guys on the next one.